everyone. So today I'm going to start a series for interview experiences with different company MNC as well as product based company along with the question and answer series. So let's get started. So there was first round happened, which is L1 round with one of team from Cape Gemini itself. And the first question they threw it was pure. The first round was purely technical. The first question was calculate average price of dish which is either vegan or vegetarian. So I've been provided with these, these are the columns in the schema, and I was asked to find out the average price of dish. So I gave my answer like this: some average price, and then vegan flag true, or vegan flag, other flag, vegetarian flag true. So this was my answer, and the next question was to me again from the sequel again. So the second question was pull the average time between the customer's first and second transaction. So the data that I have been provided was this I've written, where these are the thing I need to pull out the average time between the customer first and the second transaction of the order when the order is completed. So once I've done, I have shared my answers. So this was my answer. I hope it is visible to everyone. So I provided, like, I find out first of all through the window function row number where the order rank. And what I did, I first find out the max first and second order by giving this max and the case, like, this would be the first. When the order rank is 1, then this would be my order place time, else null. This was my first order, and the second order meanwhile when the order rank is 2. So once I calculated this, the last query which give me the output was average and the extract I have used, then second order minus first order by 3600, which is because of I have calculated all of this in hours, so from the previous table, and I put the condition where the second order time is not met. So this gave me the particular answer for the question. Now moving to the next question that I was asked for, this interview was basically uh, hold for all the 1 hour, exactly 1 hour. And then the next question I was put on with based upon the Python itself. So I've been given this interval, and in the output I need to find it out this. So I provided this my answer, like I created the function merge interval and then the some lambda function, then I merged it, and this lastly gave me the desired answer. I don't know if interviewer was impressed with this answer because he was questioning so much on this particular question. Well, like MySQL was fine, it was easy to medium type, but this Python, in the Python question, he was asking me too much, like why this logic, why did not you have applied other logic, and can you try other logic as well? These kind of question you can expect. So the next question was okay. So there was next question was mostly upon the fundamental part. Like I would say the difference in generator decorator in the Python side itself. Now the L1 round was completed. The second, I got a call that I got shortlisted from L1 round, and now I need to appear in L2 round from Cape Gemini. And it was purely client based round. So some of the people from client side has joined that call. So so the round to L2 interview, client interview round, was purely based upon my work, like my past work and what I did, the roles and responsibility shared, and how much I know about the project architecture, and the knowledge on big data side like Spark mostly. So I was asked for the project based questions and then the architecture. So I told my project and what are my responsibility. Like I have involved in the technology like Snowflake, AWS services, and many of the other services, like in the warehouse itself, it's Redshift as well. So many of the question was through in that part. And at the end, I was given a project assessment. There was a like document was shared with me from the client side themselves, and they asked me various questions based upon that project assessment that they have given me. After like 1 hour of grilling in this L2 round, I managed to give all the answers from the assessment which I understood as per my convenience and as per my knowledge. So then after like 2 to 3 days, I got a confirmation from recruiter that I got selected for L2 round as well. Then there is L3 round, which was not more technical, but it was fine. Like it was just a business discussion with one of the client as well as the delivery partner of the Cape Gemini. So I was asked about the project and the some of the few questions that like the project manager from the client side wants to understand on their level. So they asked me, how will you handle pipeline failure, how to handle conflict within the team, and it was just a half an hour interview round, just to know how I communicate with the people and what are my actual technical knowledge, and how I, behavior type environment, how I behave, and how we are much professional on the clients, because this role was purely based upon the GCP data engineer. And I was asked to come to the client location itself, which is Gurgaon. So this was the all about L1, L2, and L3 round that I shared with you. Now the last round was came to the HR discussion, which was involved with various basic HR discussion questions like the offer, location, and how much CTC expectations, as well as at how many days you can join that next company, and all of that question. So this was the HR discussion, was mostly around like 15 to 20 minutes it went. And finally then I got a offer letter after 1 day. That So this whole process was exactly like it's for immediate joiner, so I was an immediate joiner that time. And within 1 week this whole process got completed, and I got an offer letter release from the Capgen itself. So I've attached this offer letter screenshot, and this was for consultant position at Gurgaon, and I got selected. So yeah, that is all about my interview experience. It was fine, and what I would recommend and suggest that if you are appearing for data engineering interviews, make sure that you have the particular skill. Fundamentally, you are very strong, even though you do not know the advanced question, or like it all depends on the comprehension part, how you comprehend the question type. For example, if I'll share this question, that this question, merge overlapping intervals. So this was very, at first like 5 seconds I was bit questionable that what is it, but then I figured it out. So it was all based upon comprehension. So yeah, this is my suggestion, that whenever you are trying to appear, be very comprehensive. Other than that, the in the Cape Gemini round and interviews, it's all about the different projects. So in Cape Gemini, I heard that many different projects are coming on their way, so they're hiring aggressively. So yes, I would recommend you to go and appear and apply, and all the best. Thank you.